Premises liability law deals specifically with the rights of individuals while on the property of others. That could be private property or public property. Basically, the law in Michigan says that a possessor has a duty to exercise ordinary care for the protection of its invitees, and that ordinary care usually includes issues such as duty to maintain, duty to repair, and duty to warn. Now, there's also a doctrine in Michigan referred to as the open and obvious doctrine that sometimes can prevent individuals who are injured on someone else's land from recovering. Under our law, an open and obvious condition is defined as a condition that an average person of ordinary intelligence, based upon casual inspection, would discover. Now, if a condition is considered to be an open and obvious danger, one can still recover damages if there are special aspects surrounding that condition. Alternatively, if the condition is the result of ordinary negligence as opposed to a premises liability claim, an action can proceed because the open and obvious doctrine doesn't apply. In deciding whether or not your case is affected by the open and obvious doctrine, you need an attorney who is skilled to talk about the issues with you and understands the complexity of the law as it pertains to the open and obvious doctrine. The attorneys at Sinus Dramas have that expertise to advise you as to what your rights and benefits are under Michigan law, specifically as it relates to premises liability claims.